Welcome back, everybody, to Satisfactory Update 8. My name is Tom, and this is episode number 32, part 3 in the mini-series to automating 150 a minute iron ingots using a blueprint. In today's episode, guys, we are going to be finalizing this blueprint. Off the screen, I did place in the final steel beams throughout the factory so that we can jump into placing this down right away. So with that said, guys, let's get started with episode number 32. All right, so let me take you on a tour real quickly of what I did here. And so I'll jump up here if I can. Okay, here we go, guys. So let's turn on the flashlight and take a look at what I did. So I placed down all of these steel beams on the outside. So we got one in the corner there, another one in a corner. So in each four corners, and then in the center as well on each side. And so if we take a look from this perspective, you can see what I've done here. So yeah, I think it came out really interesting. I am not going to add any walls. This is just a wireframe for the factory. Once I place this down, I will begin designing it. So yeah, there's also another thing I want to show you here. So when I finished up the design, I noticed that the input and the output didn't allow for a modular design, meaning that I could set down a couple of these in a row and then attach them. So in the last episode, I had the input coming from here and the output here, which means if I slapped them together, they would connect, and that was an issue. So I routed the input from the other side here. So we got the input on this side and then the output on this side. That leaves me with two corners that are freed up. So this side and then the other side is freed up to placing another iron ingot factory next to it. Okay, so that is the adjustment you see right here, along with the support beams and the power that is wired up right here. So guys, we are all set to place this blueprint down. Before I do that, guys, I am going to make my blueprints available, and I'll provide a link in the description for you guys to download them. Obviously, they're not perfect, but it will work. So with that said, guys, I'm going to head over here to my input for the iron ore, and I have everything set up ready to go. I also saved the blueprint so that I can place it down. And so basically what's going to happen is I'll place the blueprint down, and then we'll see if everything works. If it doesn't work, then I will reload the save file and then address those in the blueprint right over there, and then place it down a second time. So yeah, that's the only thing I can think of, because I'm pretty sure there's going to be some errors with this, but maybe not. So what I'm going to do is head over to the blueprint tab here, and I am going to grab this blueprint. And wow, here we have it, guys, our first ploppable blueprint. So I'm looking for, that's the output, and then this is the input. Okay. All right, so with the belt here, I need to try to snap this. How does this work? Wow, okay, like this. And the input of the iron ore is right about there. So what if I do something like this? I hit H to lock the hologram. And then from here, I can nudge it. Okay, one more tile over. There we go. Okay, so that is in the correct position, guys. So let's place down our first blueprint for the very first time. Wow. Yeah, that builds super fast. Okay, that was really cool, guys. That was a great animation. I really like it. Okay, so guys, let's hook up the iron ore. So I'm gonna come from up here, and then I'm gonna change this to a Mark III because we are dealing with the 150 iron ore. I'll bring it down like this, and then in it goes. And the power we need to hook up, of course. So I am temporarily going to place down a power pole here. And then from here, I'll grab a cable and then connect it to this power pole. And then from here, we'll connect it to these two miners. And then finally, we can just snap it up there. Excellent. There we go, guys. Now let's analyze the blueprint and see what is going on here. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna have to place a couple ladders here. So I am gonna cycle through my hotkeys, press 7, and yeah, I'm just gonna start placing down ladders so that I could tell what is going on, because there's a lot going on under here. Okay, then maybe one here just in case. Okay, so I could tell there's already an issue, so let's figure out what the issue here is. Okay, so we have iron ore going in there. Man, this is, I did not make this easy for me, guys. Let's place one right here. Let's climb up, and so we got some iron ore there. All right, so iron ore is going in. Okay, well, boy, where do I start? Okay, so these are the inputs. Yeah, these are the inputs. So the iron ore is being run up here. As you can see, the iron ore is going through. It's going through there, and same on the other side. And then that should be connecting to the conveyor lift, but none of it's going up here. What's the deal, guys? Let's snap this down. Oh. This is the wrong direction. Okay, so let's do that. Oops. So yeah, we need to flip this around. Okay, so there goes the iron ore, but now it has stopped up there. Wow, okay. We should probably check all of these guys. So let me check these. This looks good. And we'll do this one real quick. That needs to be flipped. Oh, it's not reversing, guys. It's not reversing. What if I delete this? Place that down. Grab that. Can I reverse it? Oh, okay. So it looks like I need to replace the conveyor holes. That is weird. Is that a bug, guys? Is that a bug? Why is it doing that? Yeah, I can't reverse this one either. Maybe one of you guys can explain why this is happening. Reverse. I don't think that connected. Okay. That's not connected. Wow, what's going on, guys? Like this. For some reason, this is not snapping in there. This is super interesting. Okay, there's iron ore up in this one, which is really good. Reverse. I don't know. I don't know why that one is not connecting. There it is. I think. That has iron ore. This one doesn't. This one needs to go in like that. Okay, so the iron ore is going through there. Not through this one, though. This one is not working. Wow. Yeah, this one is really finicky. So I'm going to leave that one be. So we got iron ore and all of those guys. We need to get this one here. And like this. Okay, iron ore going up there. So that is good. It's just this last one here, guys, that is not wanting to snap. Is this because the... Let's check the input of this. Oh. Yeah, well, that's the reason. This is a wrong merger. Ew, okay. So let me delete this. Was that even... Oh, that was a merger, guys. That needed to be a splitter. So I need to go like this. Yeah, okay. So that was the issue. It wasn't a bug. So I'm going to just nudge this in like so. And yeah, I'm going to place this down. Okay, and then delete this. And let's place down the conveyor lift. Okay. Still no iron ore. Is there because there's no iron ore? There's iron ore up there, guys. There's iron ore up there. Okay. I'm going to head up here and take a look at... I'm going to take a look at those conveyor lists on this floor. So I'm going to place down a ladder. And we're going to go all the way up like this. Okay. And then, unfortunately, we're going to have to delete these catwalks for now. And this is the one that's giving me problems. So I am going to grab the conveyor lift here. So I'm going to hit 2. And yeah, we want to go in like this. Okay. And then this one as well. We want to go in. In. Okay, this one's missing a conveyor pull. In. And in for these as well. Wow. Okay. And then we need to set the recipes. Interesting. No power? Oh. Why no power? I thought I connected the power. Well, we'll connect the power after we set the recipes. Okay, this one's set. This one isn't. Okay, this one as well. There we go. All right. So the recipes are set. We have power. It looks like... Let's take a look at this power pole. Why is there power here, guys? Yes. Wait, let's take a look. Yeah, there is power. And it is connected there. Let me delete this. Okay, there it goes. Oops. Okay, so now we really get to see how everything is working. So let's head back up here and continue with addressing the issue with with what we have here. Okay, so we're stopped up here, here, and there, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We have the iron ore going up here, and then the iron ore is going up here and not there. Oh yeah, it just went up. Okay. This one is just so finicky. It does not want to connect. It does not want... Oh. Okay. There was 2 conveyor holes there. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it's not like wanting to snap in there. Like this. It should work now, guys, right? Oh my goodness, there it is. Oh, okay, so that reason was because I had 2 conveyor holes stacked up. But unfortunately, the ore is not coming through here, so I'm gonna walk up here and see why. Okay, ore is coming in here, but it's not coming out here. Why is that? Why is that? Okay, there it goes. And it's not coming out. Okay. There it goes. Ooh. All right, so let's take a look, guys. Make sure, so we got the ore coming up there. And the ore... Man, this is crazy. Oh, jeez. So do I have fast enough belts? I think I do. I think maybe if I hit this and switch this to a Mark III, that should help get the ore transported around quickly. Yeah. Okay, that's a full belt. That's all going in there. That's going up. I feel like this is... There's some iron ore stuck right there. Yeah, I see some iron ore stuck there. So I am going to head up to the next floor here. And yeah, let's take a look at what smelter is working. So this one... Okay, oh yeah, that's why no iron ore is going up, because we don't have a conveyor lift. Wow, okay. So there we go, guys. So that's connected. And so we're getting iron ore in here. Excellent. What about this guy? Yep. Yep. Looking good. Looking good, guys. Oh, yes. We did it. Okay. Great. So now all the inputs are completed. I can place the catwalks back up here. Okay. Excellent. And then let's check. Since the inputs are good, we can take a look at the outputs and see what's going on here. Looks like we're having an issue here, guys. Yeah. This one's stuck right there. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Okay. Let's take a look at why this belt is going the wrong way. Wow. Let's delete that. So a belt here. Is it because this is wrong? Let's take a look. Yeah, it is. So let's delete this guy. We'll place him here. And then grab our Mark III conveyor belt. We'll switch that to a Mark III. And we'll route it in there. So if we take a look at this. Okay, it's connected there. What's going on here? Wow. Okay, I'll delete this. And then I'll reconnect it. Oh, there it goes, guys. Wow. Wow, that was a bit scary. And then obviously we need to fix this. Okay, so I will switch this to a Mark 1 and we'll bring that down like that. So it should start. Yeah, okay, there we go. There we go, guys. So the iron ingots are coming down and out. So I'm using a Mark II on the outputs for each side, and then they both connect up here. And that's a Mark III. This is working really good. Excellent. So 1, 2, 3, all working, guys. This is looking really fabulous. Wow. Okay. Let's head up here and see if the other side is working. Uh-oh, guys. We have an issue here. This one's not working. And this one's not working. Okay, well, let's reconnect. Let's reconnect it. And hopefully that's going to work. There it goes, guys. We're doing it. Yes, we're doing it. All right, and then we probably have to do the same for this. Wow. There we go. Guys, I think it's all working. But this needs to be a Mark II, guys. This needs to be a Mark II, I think. Oh. Oh, there's some lag there. Okay. It looks like all the iron ore is reaching over here, though. That's looking pretty good. And then we got this is 150 iron ingots per minute right now. So if we take a look in here, look at all these iron ingots, guys. Wow, this is great. Okay. Let's take a look at the efficiency of the smelters and make sure that they're getting all of the iron ore. Yep. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, everything is looking good, guys. Wow. 1 to 1. 1 to 1, 2. Yeah. 1. Oh, there's a pause there, though. 1. Yeah, this is... Wow, there's a pause here. That's not good, guys. And there's an idle here as well. That's not efficient. So maybe we should upgrade the belts to a Mark II and see if that fixes it. Yeah, this belt. We need to do both sides, guys. The game and the name is efficiency here. All right, so a Mark II. Okay, and then Mark II. And Mark II. Yeah, and let's do the other side. Oh, that's the output. We need to do the input. Oh. So, yeah, we need to switch this back to a Mark I. Wait, what's 150 divided by 2, guys? Does anyone know? I'm looking it up here real quick. I can't do that in my head. There's no way. 150 divided by 2 is 75. Yeah, this needs to be a Mark II. Yeah, for sure. Okay, Mark II. Yeah, that is a Mark II. Okay. What's going on up here? Yeah, this needs to be a Mark II as well. Oops. That is a Mark II. Okay. Mark II. That's a Mark II as well. Oh no, wait. There we go, Mark II. Mark II. Okay, and then that's a Mark II. Mark II and Mark II. So if we head back up there, I think the smelter should be running at 100% based off of the calculator we used. Right, guys? Oh yeah, look at all this iron ore now. We got a lot of iron ore. Yeah, this is looking a whole lot better. Yeah, 3, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. Yes, this is excellent, guys. We are running at a max efficiency. We are doing really well here. Take a look at this. Yep, I'm pretty happy. So yeah, this completes the blueprint build. Oh, what's this? Take a look at this. 2, 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that is running at optimal efficiency. Excellent, guys. Wow, look at that conveyor lift Mark III pushing the iron ore. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Wow, it moves super fast. Okay, I'm going to now replace the elements that I deleted here real quickly. And yeah, we'll see what we'll do next here. Yeah. Yeah, right here, guys. We need to place it back here. So I'll place the small frame pillar here and here. That looks good. Looks good. I know I did another one over here. Where is it? Yeah, right here, guys. Okay. And so there we have it, guys. We are supporting all of the splitters and mergers with the painted beams and the small pillars. Of course, this is attached to the merger, so I consider the merger the source of weight being distributed on, and I kind of consider this kind of lighter, and this is all attached, maybe glued on there or sealed up by some kind of ring. So yeah, I think that looks good. I'm not going to add any supports to this at all. That's just overkill at that point, because look at all these beams, guys. We have so many beams. We don't want any more. Okay, and wow, there we have it, guys. There we have it. And if I place in, wow, if I place in, where's the iron ingots? I know, yeah, here they are. There we go. Excellent. And so, yeah, you can just see it ticking here. It is up, up, up and away. Excellent, guys. Well, that concludes the iron factory as far as the production. Everything is 100% efficient here, and it looks pretty cool. So the final part is designing this factory, and yeah, I could do a lot of cool things here. I'm going to think about how I'm going to design this, guys. I'll have to think about it. I have some ideas, but this is really interesting. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make all of the adjustments on this blueprint, save it, rename it all, put the description correctly, and then I'll upload that for you guys to use if you like. And then I'm going to place a cut in here real quick, and then I'll see you guys on the other side. Welcome back, everybody. I did not realize that I was at the end of the episode with the last cut here. So I'm going to finish the episode out here and then finalize the blueprint so that I can get that to you guys tomorrow morning. So let's end this episode. Now that this is all ready to go, we are automating 150 iron ingots per minute and storage. We can begin working on the next hub the next tier. So let's head over to the hub terminal and yeah, let's deal with the next tier. So we've unlocked the logistics Mark III. That gave us a stackable pipeline support, a Mark III conveyor lift belt, and then the industrial storage. We saw all of this in the blueprint, the ironing it blueprint. Here is the blueprint. We unlocked that in, I believe, last Saturday's stream. And then what do we have here? Okay, this is a hypertube entrance, hypertube support, and a stackable hypertube support. Okay, what does this do though? Tubes for transporting fix-it employees. A hypertube entrance needs to be attached to power and enter a hypertube system. Oh, okay. Wow, what is the deal with these really wonky systems of travel? We had the jump pad, and we still need to figure out how to use that. And now we have this really weird hypertube. Ew, okay. Man, boy, I would like to fly, guys. That's what I want the most. I want to fly. Can we fly in this game? I swear, if we can't fly in this game, I'm going to be pissed. And if we do fly in this game, don't tell me, guys. This is a blind playthrough. Don't tell me. Okay. All right. Well, this hypertube sounds really interesting. It looks like, I don't know. It says transporting fix-it employees, so I'm assuming we get to fly through the tube. Well, that sounds like a lot of fun. Wow. Maybe I could do this for Saturday's stream. The live stream, we can do the hypertubes, guys. Yeah, I'm going to save this for Saturday for sure. And then we have the expanded power infrastructure. Ooh. And this is a power storage. Oh, okay. So we can actually... Oh, this is like a battery. Oh, that's really nice. A max charge rate of 100 megawatts. Wow, that's really nice. And then we have a power tower. And these are used to span power lines across great distances. Oh, okay. These are like the wireless power towers. Ah, an additional power connector is provided at the bottom of the power tower for connecting with other buildings such as power poles. Oh, that's nice. And then we get a power tower platform. What's this? Power towers are used as, okay, yes, an additional power connector. Yes, note, this power tower version comes with a ladder and platform for improved utility. Oh, yeah, I like that word, utility. Very nice. Yeah, we want to unlock this. Okay, and then we have advanced steel production. And minor MK2. Ooh, wow. Yeah. Extracts 120 resources per minute. Outputs all extracted resources onto connected conveyor belts. Yep. The extraction rate is modified depending on the resource node purity. Okay. And this is encased in industrial beam. Enhanced industrial beam utilizes the compressive strength of concrete and tensile strength of steel simultaneously. Mostly used as a stable basis for constructing buildings. Okay. And then we have a stator used for crafting static parts of a motor. Okay. Here's the motor. Motor creates a mechanical force that is used to move things from machine to vehicle. And then we have the automated wire, project part number 3. Oh, yeah, look at the top right, guys. Look at top right. Is that what this is? Ooh, okay. I'm going to keep my eye on this guy. What's this? A heavy modular frame? Uh-oh. More robust multi-purpose frame. Wow. Okay. Oh, this is a lot of product. This is a lot of product. Oh, this is making me nervous. Okay. Wow. Well, we don't need this right now. And I want to save the hypertubes for Saturday morning's live stream. And by the way, guys, I do live stream every morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. So if you have the time, stop by and you get to watch me play live and problem solve on the spot. Okay, well, guys, let's go for the advanced steel production. Well, now that I think about it, yeah, let's actually, I think the next episode is going to be Saturday's live stream. So I'm going to, oh, this needs encased industrial beam. Okay, well, let's do this because we need the encased industrial beam. So we really need to go into the advanced steel production. Okay, no problem. So I will add whatever parts I have in the relevant items section here. And then in the next episode, I'll unlock this and then we'll see what we could do about getting to the hypertube milestone for Saturday's live stream. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me in today's episode. We have finally finalized our first blueprint and we automated 150 iron ingots per minute. And then now we're moving into hopefully hypertubes and advanced steel construction. Guys, if you enjoy this series and you want to help support my channel reach a wider audience, hit the like button. Let me know, and then subscribe if you like. With that said, guys, you have a wonderful day there. Take care. Bye.